abantu that will talk down on us, or abantu that will take us for granted, not because mhlambe they are mean or whatever, but kusuke kuyi the universe actually reflecting something back at you. Kusuke kuyi universe saying there's something that you need to work on. There is something that you need to heal. There is something that you need to pay attention. It is seldom about abanye abantu, but 90% of the time, izinto and situations and people that we meet, relationships, esizithola kuzo, whatever relationship type and kind, asuka aza as a mirror and coming to reflect back at us certain areas and things in our lives that still need to be healed. And because those moments zoba khona, that voice will be there.